Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is the open of Pedalz new showroom, and they have MUCOFF here as well. So what we're going to do is show you a little bit of the evening and yeah, just take you around. Let's go.
Going to go home, I'm going to have the hottest bath you've ever seen in your life, scald myself and then lay on the floor, mate. If I was going to go home first,
prices and all that kind of stuff. It's got rust in it, all sorts of things, and we're going to clean. Over the next couple of minutes, while this is buzzing away, come and have a look and see what's in here, and you'll see that the fluid is clear, but it's all, as soon as I start it, it'll start to billow up and cloud. Kick that off. So it's already starting to agitate it. But hydrodynamic, you will do. How do you know when your chain needs a clean? Give it a twist. So twist it and you'll hear all the grit and the dirt in between the plates. And it will resurrect old stuff. It won't do anything for worn, stretched chains. So that's hydrodynamic, that's the blue stuff. But it will just give that higher level of protection. A couple of minutes so far. And then you'll see the dirt on the other side, which hasn't been touched yet.
That's all right. The chain device, and it's very good. We do it after every ride, we do and clean the bikes down and use them. Degrees as well, green, yellow, green.
Yeah, drivetrain cleaning. There's some drivetrain cleaning on your biggie bags.
We do find it's the...
Yeah, okay, cool. So, we just, for the first session, we might run some more sessions as we go through the year. We're just going to keep it very general and very basic to start with. Obviously, if you've got any questions, please jump in. We start with Tubeless, and we're going to sort of focus on the stuff that's like useful to take with you. Obviously, if you're doing any bigger rides, is anyone not running Tubeless in this day and age? 1, 2, yeah. Okay. Why not running Tubeless? It is the way to go, and pretty much most people have done nowadays. The reason being that what we have around here a lot, has anyone actually seen what it does when it works? Yeah. No. That's because, well, a bit of a silly question because you're not really supposed to. Say you're riding along, oh no, I'm going to run over that thorn over there. So, say you run over a thorn, air's hissing out there. By the time that the tyre has passed the ceiling point, you can't hear it, so that's quite quiet. As you can see from all the little dots on there, you'll notice if you are running Tubeless as well, you'll notice this happens to the ceiling. What I forgot to mention last time was, over time, this is what will happen. This will be part of the reason why you need to top up the sealant if you haven't like really old battered tyre, it's completely mashed, and the same with the rim, it still holds tubeless. So if you haven't done it yet, it does still last as well when it's doing it.
Do it.
If say you ran over something that was this in diameter, so not just this bit, and I'm not going to do it because the last time I did made a lot of mess on the floor. If say that happens, got air hissing out, massive hole, something you can take with you, because obviously we've got MUCOFF Night, is these plugs, live in the end of your bars, but these come in many forms. Does anyone not know what these are?
Yeah.
You don't know what they are? So it's come from cars, and that basically, if you've got a massive hole in the tyre, something you see that won't seal, and you've got one of these with you, stab it into the tyre. The easiest thing to do when you're in the heat of the moment is obviously stab it in straight. The best thing to do is stab it at an angle, because you don't ruin your tape then as well. Stab it at an angle, pull these out, that will seal a bigger hole. Better if you're in a race as well. Yeah, so there's, obviously we do have a compressor in here, but that's actually not had a new nozzle on it since we started, so it doesn't actually work. Normal pump, if you've got a good tyre and a good rim, that will go on without even having to have the canister. There's a few hacks what you can do. So you can pop like a bit of fairy liquid and water around the bead. That'll help it creep on to the rim. If you can't actually get air in it in the first place, you can bead one side of the tyre with an inner tube. So you pop one side on and then you've got 50% less to leak air in the first place. Or if you've got a friend with you, you can pull out the edges of the tyre and that'll help get enough air under it. Sort of. Have you seen one of these pumps before? With the canisters?
I've heard of them, I've not seen them used or...
Okay. All it is a nice big chamber in here, and you lock off your like canister as it is. So you see nothing's coming out now. And then when you do want to see it on the tyre, you just release it in one go. And it helps as well if, granted, a lot of bikes from the factory will come with very standard tubeless valves, so you might not necessarily be able to remove the core.
I hope you enjoyed watching us sort of show you around the new showroom at Pedalz. I will put all the link to their website in the description below if you want to make a travel to see what they have in store, or you can buy it online at the Pedalz website, again, which I'll link in the description. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed, and it was actually a really nice night, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We're at McDonald's right now. Yeah, it's like 9 o'clock, 9:30 now. But yeah, it was a really good evening, good sort of networking too, and just finding a little bit more about obviously the MUCOFF, and also Rufus taking us through sort of the basics on a few bits on the bikes as well. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!